In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. So in your CapCut, go and add a video with green screen. As you can see here, I already added my video, so the next thing I need to do is add a green screen video. So to do that, just open your File Explorer and hold and drag the video in your CapCut. And to add that green screen video, just tap on the plus sign. And there you go, we have two videos attached here. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting it in the right place. So now when we try to play this video, you can see here that green screen is blocking the video. So to remove that one, first you need to click on the video and then go to the top right and make sure video is selected. And beside that, you'll see the option for basic. Just click that one and click on the Chrome key. And under Chrome key, the color pencil will appear. Click on to the pencil button beside color picker and then start picking the color that you want to remove. So once you're done picking the color, you will see the two options here. So under strength, go ahead and adjust the strength to 50 or whatever you prefer. And you can see the difference at the screen. It becomes more transparent as you adjust the strength. And you can also adjust or edit the shadow of that color. So once you're done, try to play it again and see if you have successfully removed your green screen in CapCut. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.